Welcome. In this video, we'll be showing you how to use AI Companion on Lightforth. Lightforth's AI Companion leverages advanced AI technology to answer career-related questions, offer guidance on job roles, assist with interview preparation, and provide actionable advice tailored to your unique goals. Ready to elevate your career? Let's begin. Step 1. Access the AI Companion. Once you've successfully signed up and logged into your Lightforth account, navigate to your dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll find the Start Chat option. Click on it to launch your AI Companion. Step 2. Ask your questions. Use the chat box to type in your questions. Whether you're seeking career advice, exploring job roles, or wondering about specific paths, such as becoming a software tester, simply type your query, and the AI is ready to assist. Step 3. Receive tailored answers. Submitting your question, sit back and let the AI work its magic. In seconds, you'll receive personalized and insightful responses designed to guide you on your career journey. Visit www.lightforth.org to begin.